Hey guys, so in the previous video we configured the guest SSID. So now we're gonna configure the splash page for the guest SSID. You could go here, from here go wireless configuration splash page, or under the access control you have a link that will directly send you to the splash page here. Right, splash page system. Alright, so you have the modern and fluid option. You could see here preview. So this is the fluid and this is the modern option. You could configure provide a URL where the user will be redirected. You could customize it here. Say hello, how are you? You could upload the logo. Alright, so just upload, browse, specify logo. You could change the language of the splash page. Alright, and you could redirect. So you could use the URL that they already have provided to the website to log in, or a different URL. Alright, also you could customize it completely. Alright, so you go in here, you specify how you want to customize it completely. So we're gonna do modern, copy, and then we do edit. So this is my model, right? And for us, you decide which page you're using. So for us, the continue is the page, and this is it. And we could actually edit it. Let's say you wanna, I don't know, anything here. This is just HTML. I have to say, save. Sorry. Alright, so that's how it is. Go back to config and do preview. Oh, it doesn't show you the updates, or does it? Oh, I didn't specify it. So save and now preview. Alright, so this is how to configure the splash page in Meraki. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and it was useful. In the next video we'll continue with the wireless series. Alright, thanks for watching. Please guys, also if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want also click the notification button. Thank you.